Hey guys, this is Excellent, the Maths Doctor, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to something that is very interesting. We're going to solve for x matter. Specifically, we're going to be using quadratic formula. I'm going to solve for x in many ways. So now today, how do you solve for x? Ushimisha the quadratic formula. So really an equation one. So quadratic formula before quadratic formula we shumisha fela go ina le a trinomial. A trinomial, what am I talking about? A trinomial is an expression ya go tempted taro 1 2 3. Like this expression over this part ya the left hand side ya equal sign. This is a trinomial because the tempted is 1 2 3 get taro. And then like I'm calling structure ka one ke trinomial le gore o ka kgona shumisha quadratic formula mo go yona. So quadratic formula is so x is just formula long gore o santse o itsebe ka boeng. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, ac, then over 2a. So quadratic formula comes through. So the variables this formula b and a c. X. So a, b, and c the imaging a the coefficient of term number 1. Term number 1 ki coefficient get out number ya variable. So a image coefficient of term 1. Okay, but to save some space, let me leave it. Mark coefficient ya term number 1. Term number 1 ki this one, get the first term again. So coefficient coefficient ya gona ke 4 ke yone leng gore it's a. Nampile ga re bolela ka b yona ke coefficient ya term number 2. Term number 2 she yona mo gare ke coefficient, meaning gore number ya ka pele ga the variable ya term ya bobedi. So coefficient ya term number 2 ke 9. So ke yone leng gore it is b. Then lastly c ke the constant. Constant ke boletse before kare ke term e leng gore a ine variable. So ke yone ye leng gore re bitsa ke a constant. So our constant mo ke negative 3. So ke yone leng gore e tlo dula mo go c. So a coefficient ya first term, then b coefficient ya second term, and c can get the constant, just like that. So x equals to, then more b or negative, then kabula the brackets kabia b. B king coefficient of second term, meaning what we're going to put 9 more b. So I write 9, then I say plus or minus the square root of, then b rape, so get over 9 rape. The brackets. So what substitute is very important or over the brackets. The brackets are very important because what when or Oscar the brackets and it twist your answer. So more b give you 9 then squared. Sure. Then minus 4, then a. A remember king coefficient ya term number 1. So term number 1 she give 4x squared. Coefficient ya this first term king. Sure na kamo peleke 4. So what are more a I'm going to put 4 like this. Then lastly, more c, well it's not lastly, but yagola tela ki c and c kirile kare ki constant. Constant yarna she ki negative 3. So more c ki tongwala negative 3. Then over 2, then we have a appearing again. A she rape ya buchele a we already said what ke 4 coefficient ya first term. So I write like this. Then also you just simplify everything. And x is equal to, and guys, quadratic formula always will tell the answer to 2 to x. So it's going to be 2 answers, 2 possible answers to x. It's not going to be answer 18. So 9 brackets is positive, but we have a negative sign come up with sure. So negative times positive, you have negative, then raval negative 9. Because all multiply 2 different signs, it must give you a negative sign. And plus or minus the square root of 9 squared. 9 squared, if you do it on the calculator, it over 81. Then 81 minus, okay, let me not write minus yet. Okay, multiply. Negative 4 times positive 4. So negative mara positive. So multiply 2 different signs, meaning what is going to be, the answer is going to be a negative answer. So negative times positive negative times positive negative, then 4 times 4 is 16. Then negative 16. Then negative 16 times negative 3. Okay, negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive p negative, then negative multiply the other negative negative 3, then in fact positive because it multiply negative times negative, which is the same sign. Then 4 times 4 is 16, then 16 times 3. Let me do it on the calculator and see. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. So it's about 48, then over 2 times 4, it's 8, just like this. Then moki plus or minus eki negative 9 plus the square root of 81 plus 48 over 8. Negative 9 minus. So more to be a plus pile. Oh, we did on the calculator. Then all feta y minus. Okay, let's simplify this one. 81 plus 48. Let's see what it's going to give us. It's going to be 129. So come on, square root, I can just write 129. I just added them together. So 129 like this. So I first calculated using plus here in the middle. Then after I calculated using minus, right? Square root. Okay, let's see if 129 has a square root. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, I'll just put everything on the calculator. I'm gonna say negative 9 plus square root of 129 all over 8. Then the answer is, when I put it in decimal form, I'll have to round it off. So it's going to be x is equal to 0, 9. Oh, so not 9, 29. So I have just rounded it off to 2 decimal places. It continues, but I'm rounding it off. Is 0,29. Or x is equal to, the other one I used plus lama tomangere, guys. So now I'm going to use minus. So I'm going to put minus moki in the middle instead of plus. Then when I put minus, let's see what it's going to be. Minus. Okay, when I put minus, the answer becomes negative 2,54 when I round it off. So the answer is either this one or this one. So this is how it works. Quadratic formula. Over to this stage, remember, you use plus and then you afterwards use minus. Then that will give you 2 answers. So yeah, so basically quadratic formula, so it just needs you to know what formula one is structured beyond the B, the A, and the C the formula, so that you can be able to substitute them. So guys, thank you very much for viewing my videos. I'm very, very grateful for that. And please subscribe to my channel and like my videos more, so that I'll keep posting them more and more and more. Okay, and again, before I forget, I have this sessions I have students by longer I do sessions with them. So what I want to tell you about the special longer I introduced this school holidays, especially longer I've created for my students. This special is whereby they get the advantage or attend every single day during the school holidays from Monday up until Friday. So this one is a special. It's not really like that, but because I want to make sure by the time the schools open, they are equipped with everything. They know everything that they have learned this time. So by the time the schools open, already but are very equipped with too much knowledge when it comes to mathematics. And I want to so please, when you're interested, you can just contact me again. My number is 081 703 1197.